everyone, this is KJ Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad ko natin reaction video, ang Kat Den compilation. Alam mo, ang daming umaatake sa akin dito, mami. Sa comment section sa last upload ko, ang daming umaatake. Walang Kat Den, walang ganito, ganyan. Eh yung chismis nyo nga, na may boyfriend si Kat, ni up until now, na wala na din yung issue ninyo together with Mayor Mark Alcala. Nawala na ngayong chismis, wala pa din kayong resibong pinapakita. Kasi wala naman talaga. Palibhasa, walang Kat din ang kiniklaim ninyo kasi wala kayong alam. Yes. Alam mo kung sino pa yung maraming dakdak? Sila pa talaga yung, alam yung, sila pa yung walang alam. Yung mga walang alam, sila pa yung maraming dakdak talaga. Sa totoo lang, ako nga chill ako dito. Wala naman akong sinasabing si Kat din and si Kat. Si Kat din, si Kat and si Alden. Wala naman akong sinasabing may relasyon sila together. Wala naman akong sinabing ganito, ganyan. Hindi naman ako nagsasalita kung nagsasama sila or hindi, kung nakikita sila or hindi, kung nagpadala ng ganito, kung nagpadala ng ganyan, kung sinundo sa ganito, sa ganyan. Wala naman akong sinasabing ganyan, pero bakit kayo ganyan? Hindi nga kami apektado yung kay Mark Alcala na pinapalabas na chismis eh. Because I know from the fact that that is not true. Because I know the truth. Alam ko ang totoo. Kaya kung napapansin na iba ang aura ko for today's video. Kasi may alam ako na hindi nyo alam. It's all about connection, darling. Connections that you don't have. So without further ado, let's all watch this. Panoorin natin yung mga interview nila na hindi pa natin napanood. Ay, ano to?
I'm so proud of you.
Yeah.
Ay, proud of you.
Second chances.
Ay.
So let's add a twist by asking you this question. Do you believe in giving third, fourth, and fifth chances?
Ayan na.
Once the marriage
Ayan na
is
talaga
over?
siya.
Or a second chance is your limit? And that's it.
Ayan na talaga siya.
I think giving second chances really depends upon the person.
No.
No.
I'm so proud of you.
Yeah,
Tito.
and
Oh.
sometimes it really depends because giving a second chance and a third chance means that there was a mistake committed in the situation, and
Ang talino din ito ni Alden eh, sa totoo lang.
second chances could be given to people who have committed a mistake, but if it's gonna be happening like over and over again,
Yes, tama na.
that's already a choice, and that person chooses to commit that mistake over and over again, and I think it's not worth
Exactly.
anymore. But I think
So, alam mo na yan.
depends.
Alam mo na yan.
It's not a commitment. It's not a thing that you always have to give. It's a choice.
For me, Sir Ruben, maybe it depends on the person. Because it's like a risk. If you give a person a chance, either mako-correct niya, he or she will correct the mistake na nagawa niya, or you're allowing that person to hurt you again or to do the
True.
same. So it depends. So if you think it's worth the risk, you think this person has changed or whatever you think it is, it's your choice. But if it's you not giving that person a chance because it's your way of protecting yourself, your sanity, and you don't want to experience or go through this again, that's okay too. So siguro depende po sa sitwasyon, but you can forgive, but that doesn't mean na you have to give a second chance. You can
True.
forgive for peace of mind.
Ang talino naman nila. Kaya bagay kayo eh. Diyos, kaya bagay kayong dalawa.
May sinabi ka rin maganda.
Ay. Ano?
Second chance is a gift.
Yeah,
Taray, nakikinig talaga siya.
It's a gift. It's not an obligation.
Yeah.
Iya. Taray. Ay, ito. Ano to?
Nagulat po. Pero unahan ko na po kayo. Hindi po ako magpo-comment sa...
Ayan. Ay, hindi na panoodin natin to.
The movie's amazing. This is an instant classic, almost comparable to like a Filipino version of The Notebook.
Ay, napanood na natin to. Eto, napanood na. Ay, ito. Interview natin. Recreate.
Where are we today?
Ay, uminom talaga sila pala. Uminom pala talaga sila. So, nalasing pala talaga sila dito. Hala, nalasing pala talaga sila dito. Nalasing pala talaga sila.
That ends this game. Alright! Bitin, dapat to next time one day natin
Wild.
gawin.
As
Tapos
in,
Okay.
tigil yung
unlimited choice.
Nalasing pala talaga sila dito. Okay.
more fluid you become.
Parang pa-honest ka ng pa-honest every time. So, as usual, we had fun. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Airpad. Okay.
Yun ay nakakatuwa about life, diba? Sometimes,
Tingnan natin to.
meron kang vision and meron kang plan.
Tsaka kung napapansin niyo, tipid na tipid talaga si Alden pag sumagot sa mga interview in public. 'Di ba? Sobrang tipid niya.
Hindi yun yung nangyayari. Doon mo gustong pumunta,
Mm-mm.
doon mo gusto ang ending, pero hindi yun yung nangyayari. Because, sa buhay naman natin, and in every day that we live, and in every day that we breathe, and in everything that we are experiencing in life right now, may it be good or bad, one way or another, we deserve it. And why deserve? Because
Why
we
deserved?
have to look at the bright side of things all the time. May tinuturo sa atin si Lord sa journey na to.
True.
Minsan, di ba, parang we question all the hardships, all the struggles in life. We question why. Lord, bakit ako? Bakit mabait naman akong tao? Bakit nangyayari sa akin to?
Mm.
And then, just trust the process. Kasi at the end of that, at the end of those dark times, marirealize mo na, ay, kaya pala nangyari sa buhay ko yun. Kasi ito yung rason. And ito yung mangyayari sa akin. And in every hardships that we go through, always trust that that's made for you to become stronger. Para palakasin ka of the storms.
Grabe naman to na interview. Okay. Ay! Ay, mga behind the scene. Mga behind the scene to. Ay, ito. Wait lang, no.
What is the greatest personal
Ang
sound?
haba. Ay. Ay! Oh, loko. Oh, loko. Diyos ko, sabi ko sa inyo, sa Canada pa lang eh. Sa Canada talaga nagsimula ang lahat. Charis! Sa Canada talaga nagsimula ang lahat. I swear. Totoo lang. Sa Canada talaga. Sa Canada, sa true. Charis, ulit-ulit. Ulit-ulit.
lang sa 1%.
Ulit-ulit.
100, sige, anong favorite color ko?
Ay, alam na alam. Charis! Nagmamatter talaga kasi pag mga maliliit na mga bagay, nagmamatter talaga yan. Sa totoo lang. Blue. Tama. Anyways, there you go guys. So this is for today's video of our Captain compilation. This is Kijipo Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!